ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम ओम क्रां क्रीं क्रौं सह भौमाय नमः ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम नमो नारायण. Good evening dear viewers, welcome to Nakshatra Nadi or Astral Science. Today I would like to discuss about the planet Venus. In astrology, people have a very bad thought about the Venus planet, or a good thought, saying that Venus is fantastic rather than Rahu Dasha or Ketu Dasha or Saturn Dasha are very bad. Usually what happens, no planet is good or no planet is bad. All the position depends on the placement. Unless we don't analyze the placement, no planet can be considered as good or bad. This is the first point. So based on this, when we look at Venus, the planet of beauty, the planet of passion, it comes under the purview of Shukracharya. There are basically two great teachers. One is the Brihaspati, the other is Shukra. The one is the Jupiter and the other is the Venus. So basically whenever we look at the benefic planet, Jupiter and Venus are predominantly known as benefic planet. So these two planets have a different purview. Jupiter goes by more of sattvic achievement. Venus go by passion mixed with rajasic element. There is no tamasic in Venus. So Jupiter people try to manifest themselves in a very dharmic way, based on spirituality, based on benevolent activity, based on dharma. But at the same time, when you look at Venus, Venus also is a very good planet which is driven by Shukracharya. It also gives us moksha, but not in the same way as Jupiter does. Venus has got a different path. It says that you enjoy life, whatever has come to you, please enjoy. And while you are enjoying, ensure that you don't go overboard. At the same time, when you are going through the path, always think that whatever enjoyment you are doing right now will not be permanent. So there will be issues. Again there will be a new enjoyment which comes across. So Venus is a different planet. It teaches us to be in the current situation, to be in the present world, enjoy the present situation, but yet be not involved in it. So basically, Venus, the planet, was earlier a very malefic planet, long before. The reason being, Venus as a guru, as a Daitya guru, what they call, demonish guru, he started preaching to the demons, telling about the importance of life, telling about the importance of education, importance of the principles. And he was teaching to the people who are into tamasic activity. There is one call. After this, I'll just continue about this. Let us take this call. Namaste. Namaste.
Namaste, Guruji.
Yeah, tell me.
Guruji, I have to know whether business combination is there, Guruji.
For you, okay. You are calling from which place?
Chennai, Guruji.
एक second.
I will go to Prashna Shastra, Guruji.
You will go to Prashna Shastra. एक second, I will just connect. One second, internet is little bit down. Let me take this up. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, just tell me the number from 1 to 249. Hello?
Hello, 72 Guruji.
72. Okay, done.
Yes, Guruji.
72. Okay. So you are looking at doing a business in future?
Yes, Guruji.
Okay.
I have to know in which line I will get succeed, Guruji.
Okay. You are calling from which place, sir?
Chennai, Guruji.
Chennai. 72. Okay. For business. Let us see how is the business perspective. So currently you asked the question under the main period Mahadasha of Saturn. Let us see Saturn how it is. Saturn has a combination of 7, 8, 1, 4, 3, 11, 12. But 12 is not hit, 11 is hit. You can definitely try for business, sir.
Okay,
There will
Guruji.
be
In which
minimal
line I
loss.
can try, Guruji?
Sorry?
In which line I can try, Guruji?
So basically here I can give a idea which line will be better for you. There are certain line which shows to go for institution, hospitality, restaurant, property, farming, agriculture, automobile side, and predominantly it is showing more of real estate, education, civil works, contractor, building, tuitions and Vastu consultant. These are the main line it shows. Have you have any idea in within this line? Hello? I think the call has been cut, but you can continue with it. Okay, let us take the next call.
Hello.
Namaste.
Namaste, Guruji.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, can I know whether I can pursue an MBBS seat or not?
Okay, just tell me your date of birth.
March 2003.
Sorry?
25 March 2003.
Time of birth?
5:50 p.m.
Place of birth?
Bangalore.
Okay, when is the exam we are having?
It was told that it will be held on August 1st. Don't know whether they'll continue.
Yeah. The period which will be running during August 1st, which will continue, Sun and Jupiter is there. After August 1st till 31st, Ketu is there.
This
Sun,
call is
Jupiter
now
and
being
Ketu.
recorded.
Sun, Jupiter, Ketu. Let us see it. Sun, Jupiter and Ketu. So there is a big chance, sir. You can try it because Ketu is very powerful. There is 6, 9, 11 combination, and the combination shows that you can get through. Okay, but not with much difficulty. You can get through. It's not a problem. Just chant Jupiter mantra Om Gram Greem Grom Saha Guruve Namaha. The combination is apt, and you can. I think the combination is very good. 6 combination, 9 combination, 11 combination is very good. If it is within August, the time is very good. If it crosses August, then Venus is not strong, not very strong. Venus is quite weak in terms of the Mars scoring. It's quite not so great. Okay, God bless you. Within August it is good. Okay, next. Namaste. Namaste. Namaste.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
Can I connect? Good evening, Guruji.
Yeah, tell me. Good evening.
So this is regarding my daughter.
Okay.
This is a peculiar question to you. I'm sorry I'm bothering you.
Yeah, no problem.
Sir, from my son's Jataka,
Okay.
can you tell me regarding my daughter's marriage, sir?
You don't have the daughter date of birth?
Yeah, I have. But shall I give that number, Dr. Ji?
Yeah, sure. I think there is some confusion what you are talking about. Okay.
From my son's Jataka, can I see my daughter's, that is his sister.
No. What is the reason why you are telling in this manner? You don't have your daughter's date of birth and time of birth?
I have got that, Guruji.
Okay, tell me, sir.
29/4.
Sorry?
29 April. April
29.
April
Okay.
1991.
Okay. Time of birth?
5:45 p.m.
Place of birth?
29/4/91.
Place of birth?
Bangalore, Guruji.
Yeah, please tell me the question, sir.
Regarding my daughter's marriage, Guruji, I want to ask.
Okay. I don't know why you are getting into your son's horoscope and asking for the daughter. I don't know
Someone
why.
suggested me.
Sorry?
You can see. Someone suggested me from your son's horoscope. You can predict. So I'm asking.
When there is a direct horoscope,
Yeah.
then why are we going via that mode? I don't understand what all these astrologers will do. Saturn Dasha is going across, and which is ending by 2023, and Saturn and Guru Dasha is running. Saturn 1 and 3 combination, and the last Bhukti 4 and 1. The combination is not good for marriage, sir. The astral signs combinations are very weak for marriage.
Any slokas or any?
I'll just try, sir. I'll just check. Okay, based on this, marriage, bad in marriage and married life, medium success, very bad in combination. Antarbhukti is also same. The Bhukti is also bad in marriage, it's showing. Most of the planets are showing a red color in this, many planets. So, I see there is some issue in terms of selection, sir. I think you people have to settle down with whatever possible way, not looking very deep into it. Okay? Shloka. Okay, only the sun shloka will help here. Om Grini Suryaya Adityaya Om. This 7 is not hit anywhere, only in Ketu it is there. Rest all the combination is not so strong. So my combination Saturn and Guru. Under that I can suggest you by 2022 March till 2022 November will be a very good period on the Antarbhukti level. So I would suggest to go for whatever alliance comes during that period, or else it will be very difficult, because after Saturn, Mercury will start. Mercury has got a combination of 6 hit, which is very dangerous for the married life. So I suggest to go within 2022 November. Try to finalize by that time, or else it will be very difficult. Okay, Namaste.
Guruji.
Yeah.
Guruji, this is Sunit. Actually, I'm your student now, 85th batch.
Okay, very good.
I wanted to ask about my son.
The recent batch of just 4 days back.
Yes, actually, today I have to see your class.
Okay, very good. Yeah, tell
I'm
me.
from Bangalore.
Yeah.
My son's date of birth I wanted to.
Yeah.
11th,
Okay.
2014.
11/6.
11/6 June 2014.
Okay.
8:33 p.m.
Okay. Place of birth.
Bangalore.
So what is the question you are looking at?
I want to ask about his education.
Okay, he's just 7-year-old right now, correct?
Yes, sir. Second standard.
So till 2030, he will be running Saturn Dasha.
Okay.
Saturn combination, let us see on the education front.
Okay.
Saturn will give him high success in education at an average percentage of 70 plus. Okay?
Okay.
He'll do very well, because till 2030, it's around 9 years from now. So post that he will continue with Mercury, which is still higher. After 2030, his education will be much higher in terms of high success in education with 80% plus. So education is not at all a problem. Okay? We can go ahead with good education for him. So let him wear one two-face Rudraksh. Then Amethyst. Amethyst is very good, and he can wear one red color thread to his right wrist around 3 to 5 rounds. Okay? Let us go to the next call. Namaste. Namaste.
Hello.
Oh yeah, tell me, sir, madam. Hello.
Can I
tell
talk
me.
to Guruji?
Yeah. Yeah. Madam, speak out.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hello,
tell
I'm calling from Chennai.
Okay. Tell me, madam.
My date of birth is 17/10/1967.
17/10/19.
67.
67. Time of birth?
Time is 9:20 morning.
9:20 in the morning. Place of birth?
Vipuram, Tamil Nadu.
Villipuram. Villipuram, Tamil Nadu. Puntottam. Something is there. Puntottam.
Vipuram, yeah.
Modi Vendar Nagar. Okay.
Vipuram.
Okay. New Bus Stand Road. Okay.
VILLUPURAM.
Yeah, I have taken it. Okay. Based on this, your ascendant is Rushika Lagna. Rushika ascendant. Rashi is Uttara Bhadrapada. Uttaratadi.
Yeah.
Meena Rashi.
Yeah.
So what is the question you are looking at, madam?
My question is, I want to know about my health and I want to know about my service. How long can I continue in this job?
So I'll answer one question. I'll look at the health perspective. Currently you are
Okay.
running Moon Dasha. Under Moon Dasha you are running the sub period of 2021 tak Rahu Bhukti. Let us look
Okay.
at Moon. Moon is having a combination of 4, 9, 3, 4, 2, 5, 9. Whenever there is a hit of 4 combination in the Moon, the health aspect will not be good, especially on the head region, basically. And also a lot of pains in the body, because Moon is in the nakshatra of Saturn. So after Moon Dasha, the next Dasha will be Mars. You will have good health post this Moon, but Moon Dasha will be till 2028. Till 2028, there will be a lot of issues on the health front. There might be a little bit of operation also, which is showing 4-3 combination, but that can be avoided, not a problem. And I would suggest you to chant Durga mantra, Om Hreem Dum Durgaya Namaha. Wear a red thread to your right hand, around 5 to 6 rounds. Then I would suggest to wear 12 face Rudraksh. Okay. Moon is not good for the health prospect, because health we can look at here what actually it shows across. It doesn't show a good prospect in the health. Medium success in health, and the right hand side the 4 is there. So pray for any guru, any your Daiva guru. It will help you out. Good luck. Namaste.
Hello, Guruji. Namaste.
Yeah, namaste.
We are calling from Hubli.
Yeah, tell me.
I am going to Prashna Shastra, Guruji.
Yeah, tell me.
Yes, Guruji. Actually.
Number 1 to 249.
48, Guruji.
48.
Yeah, Guruji.
In which line you are looking at?
About my future and
Then is it in job, business, what line?
marriage and the future life.
Only marriage. Yeah, I will just talk about marriage. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, tell me what you are looking in marriage.
Guruji. Actually, in my home, searching for groom, Guruji.
Okay.
So I am asking you about future.
The Prashna Shastra, what you have asked is quite difficult, madam. Okay.
Okay.
So what is your age? Can I know your age?
31, Guruji.
Okay. The planetary positions are very weak for marriage.
So
In near future, at least, because the current Dasha which is running Saturn and Ketu till 2023, even Venus is also very weak, but there is a saving grace from Venus, because whenever there is Venus sub-period or Venus Bhukti, which we call, that will definitely give marriage. Your marriage will happen within 2023 max. Within 2023 max. There is no one planet which is showing very positive result for you in terms of marriage. Have to go for the secondary planetary level and look at what exactly is that. You have to chant this mantra, Om Brahma Brahmaspate Namaha. Om Brahma Brahmaspate Namaha for 108 times. And unlimitedly you have to chant this mantra, Om Yagno Pavitram Sahajam Rahat Prajapati Swaha. Once again I would like to say, Om Yagno Pavitram Sahajam Rahat Prajapati Swaha. So quite difficult, but it will happen within 2023, but with lot of difficulty. So have a calm mind, be cool, just make your mindset by 2023 I will get married. Relax, nothing to worry. Next. Namaste.
hello.
Yeah, namaste. Good evening.
Good evening. I am from Shimoga.
Yeah, tell me.
My date of birth is 19/9/98.
1 second. 19.
9/98.
98. Time of birth?
Timings 5:59 p.m.
5:59 p.m. Place of birth?
Tirthali, Shumaga.
Tirthali, Shumaga. Yeah. What is your query, madam?
So I'm pursuing MCom
Okay.
and I would like to know about my job and also when I get married.
Only one question I will be answering here. So basically you are running at the period of moon. Under the moon dasha, the bhukti till 2023. When are you completing your MCom? Which year?
This year, this October.
Okay, by 21 October you will get. So moon and Mercury. Let us look at moon and Mercury. Moon 6 combination is there. Fantastic. 3 4 6 8 1 3 4 5 6 7 8 11. Yes, excellent. Mercury 5 7 7 7. 7 is also a very good combination for job. Not to worry. After Mercury there is Ketu. You will be definitely getting a very good job, madam. You have to try for the field which you are looking at. Government job. I don't see government job because 10 and 11 is not there here. Let me look at the cusp. This okay. You have a fair chance. You can try. You can try. There is a fair chance, and I suggest you to wear one coral. Kindly wear one coral and 5-face Rudrakshi. There is a fair chance, but only the cuspal is showing. But the line 1, line 2, line 3, there is no 10 across here. But you have to try a lot. Cuspal is showing. Let us go to the next caller. Namaste.
Guruji, namaste.
Namaste. Tell me, sir.
Guruji, I want to know about my health, sir.
Health. Would you like to give your date of birth or go for Prashna Shastra?
I want to go through date of birth.
Yeah, tell me.
28/12/1979.
20?
28/12/1979.
Time of birth?
Guruji, date of birth.
Time.
4:55 p.m.
Place of birth?
4:55 p.m.
Sir, place of birth, sir.
Place of Telangana, Narayanpet.
Narayanpet.
Ha.
Narayanpet, Telangana. Yes, it is coming. Yeah, tell me, sir. What is the question? Health, right?
I want to know about my health, sir.
Okay.
Since
So you
last
are born
week,
in Ashwini Nakshatra, 4th Pada, Mesha Rashi.
Meshara.
Okay. Ascendant is Taurus. So currently you are running the period of Mars Dasha till 2023.
Ha, sir.
Under Mars Dasha you are running the sub period till 2021 September Ketu.
Ha.
So Mars and Ketu. Mars 8th house is hit and Ketu 3rd house. Okay, there is a health issue in the Mars period. After Mars period, let us look at Rahu period. Rahu will be very good for you, sir. So you have to just chant any of Ganapati mantra. Okay? Just chant Om Gam Ganapate Namaha, and just by donating curd every Friday for next 6 months to poor people, you can see a very good change in terms of your health, sir. This health problem issue will not continue post 2023 October. You will have a good life, sir. Okay? Good luck. Namaste. Namaste.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Guruji, namaste.
Namaste, madam. Tell me.
Daughter, second daughter, I just want to know when her marriage can be fixed. That's the question.
Yeah, date of birth.
Date of birth 22nd September
Okay.
1995.
Okay. Time of birth?
6 o'clock, early morning, 6:35 a.m. 6:35 a.m.
Place of birth?
Bangalore, Karnataka. 6:35 a.m.
Yeah. Okay. Leo is the moon sign with Virgo ascendant. Magha Nakshatra. Magha
Simha Rasi, Magha Nakshatra, Simha Rasi. Yes.
Right. Currently, she has just completed Venus Dasha and the new Dasha, Sun has started. Sun Dasha and Moon Bhukti is little bit favorable, but actually married life will be not so great. Okay? That is the first point I would like to emphasize here. But marriage will happen in Sun Dasha and Moon Bhukti from 21 September within 22 March. Within 22 March. Next year March, within 22 March it will happen. That's not an issue. But marriage life will little bit be difficult. If your daughter and your prospective son-in-law will be in the same line, not much of a problem. What is she doing currently? Disconnected? Okay. So basically I would suggest she has to wear one coral to her right hand ring finger, and donation of gingerly oil to the poor people will help her. Within March there is a very strong compatibility. Otherwise the next period will be between 2023 and 24. 23 and 24. Second house, yes. So next call. Namaste.
Namaste, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, her date of birth is 4/10/1996.
एक second. 4/10.
1996.
1996. Time of birth?
Time 00:48 a.m.
Place of birth?
Tumkur.
Question please.
Sir, regarding the software job, I'm looking for the job. I'm getting the interviews, but I'm getting the rejected, sir.
Oh, acha. Don't worry. Let me see the Antarbhukti. Antarbhukti is very important to get a job. Let us look at Jupiter Dasha currently which you are running, and under that till October you are having Venus. Let us look at Venus 293, then after Venus you will get Sun. Sun is 12 and 9. Okay, what is 6th? Moon is 6. Then only 6. Moon will be favorable. Okay. Jupiter, Venus, Moon. That period is gone after October. Okay. Jupiter, Sun and Moon. This year between October and November you will be getting a good job. Nothing to worry. This year between October and November you have to wait for 4 to 5 months more. Okay. Definitely you will be getting a job. And to get a job, kindly chant this mantra: Om Gram Greem Grom Saha Guruven Namaha, and donate raw rice to poor people for at least 3 months, starting Monday, to poor people, whatever quantity you people prefer. Wear a yellow color thread. You will be placed between October to November in a good company. Nothing to worry. But it will be a little bit cumbersome because only 6 is hitting with only one planet. Okay. Namaste.
Namaste, Guruji.
Yeah, tell me. Good evening.
I am Murali, your student, sir, N79 batch.
Oh, namaste, sir. How are you?
I am fine, sir. I am just seeing this also.
Okay.
Continuously. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. And then I just want to know about my niece education.
Yeah, tell me.
0504.
Okay.
2004.
Time of birth?
10:32 Bangalore, sir.
AM, PM?
AM. 10:32 AM.
Okay. Education, huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. She is doing her second year PUC.
Okay. Rahu Dasha is running.
Subject. Yes, sir.
Till 2022 October, Saturn is there.
Yes, sir.
Rahu 12 and 11. Education is very good.
Yes, sir. Which subjects, sir? Finance or MBA?
Yeah, MBA Finance, sir. Simple.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. And the
The combination is very good, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Combination is very good. She will succeed very well. Okay.
And I'm also joining for this master batch, sir.
Oh, welcome, sir. Okay. Great. Good luck,
I
sir.
am not going to leave you.
Thank you, sir. Combination is very good. Okay. Let us go for a small break. Okay, after the break, we'll just rejoin. Okay, welcome back, dear viewers. The first English version classes will be starting from August 1st. There will be basically 2 batches, morning 10 to 12 and evening 7 to 9. Those who want to learn this subject and understand our Nakshatra Nadi and look at the future, how my life is there. So definitely you can join for this class, and this class will be for 15 days. 15 days, every day 2 hours. Definitely I'll help you out in understanding this astral science in a very easy way. There is no prerequisite of having a basic knowledge on astrology. Any layman can come to my class and start understanding subject and learn and implement in your future life. Let me take the next caller. Namaste.
Namaste.
Yeah.
Here.
Good evening,
Hello.
sir. Tell me. Yeah.
Good evening. This is Naveen here. Just I want to ask about myself.
Okay.
So my.
I would
Hello.
suggest to ask for one question. Yeah. Tell me your date of birth.
28/7.
28.
7.
Okay.
1985.
Time of birth.
Morning 10:10 a.m. Bangalore.
Yeah. Tell me the question, please. In what area you are looking at?
28/7/1985 Bangalore. Morning 10:10 a.m.
Yeah. Already taken. Jyeshta Nakshatra, Virgo
Okay.
ascendant. Okay.
Okay.
Currently you are running with the period of Sun, which will last till 2026. A new Dasha has just started 1 year back.
Just hold on. My mother will ask her about the question.
Yeah, tell me.
Like I want to ask about my work. Like I was doing my further studies.
Okay.
And I want to apply for the same things, same profile actually.
Okay. Your
So I'm getting
horoscope is
struggling in my
really
job.
excellent. Your horoscope is really excellent. There will be little bit setback till little bit, not very high, till 2023, 26. Post 2026, the combination is very good. The Moon Dasha, which starts from 2026 onwards, it's really great. Currently, Sun Dasha and Moon is also running. The current period also is good. Okay, it is over. The Mangala Dasha started. Most of the places, the placement is excellent. What is the question you are actually looking at?
Okay. Because I'm struggling without any necessary.
Sorry?
I'm struggling without any I'm struggling.
No, I didn't get you. Struggling without any?
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Actually, I have a good job. I was doing a very good job actually.
Okay.
But meanwhile, my health was got very. Suddenly, what happened? I'm not understanding it.
So on
Why
the health
that-
aspect, okay. Let me look at the health aspect. Venus was 3, 8, 10. Then 5 and 11 is there, and 12. There is no 12 hit here. Nothing to worry. 8 of Rahu. Rahu 8th house. So not to worry, just donate radish to any poor people. That is the first thing. For the health aspect, I would suggest you go for 5-face Rudraksh, and you can wear 1, 10, 11. No, that is not good. Okay, 4, 5, 11, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 11. Okay. Go for yellow sapphire to right hand index finger. Health will be good, but your job is excellent, nothing to worry. And go for 1, 2, 3, 4-face Rudraksh. 4-face Rudraksh. Okay. Good luck. Nothing will happen, nothing to worry. Namaste.
Namaste, Guruji.
Tell me.
1/11/1998 is my birth year.
1/11/19.
98.
Okay. Time of birth.
8:20 a.m.
Place of birth.
Bangalore.
Question.
Guruji, actually I wanted to know about my marriage life. At what age I would be getting married and how it will be.
Okay.
If I skip this era, when next period I will be getting married? Like
Currently, there is no skipping because from 2020 October onwards for next 17 years, the Mercury Dasha will be running.
okay.
Under this combination till 2023, Mercury Bhukti is going across. Let us see how Mercury is performing. Mercury in terms of marriage is quite neutral, and there is also a hit theory of 5. Whenever there is 5 hit, there will be a huge process in terms of selection. So basically you will not be actually so interested in the alliance which comes across to you. Okay, that is the first point. So under Mercury, the next Bhukti will be Ketu which will give you profit. Then next Venus. During Venus it shows, but Venus is quite far ahead till 2024 and 26. 24 and 26 is highly favorable for you. Before that, if you want to get through, you have to have a chanting. You have to do chanting for it. Let us see which planet is strong enough. Venus is quite strong, and you can chant this mantra: Om Dram Dream Draum Saha Shukraya Namaha. I suggest take a time till 2024. Post 2024, it will be fine as per my calculation. Right? 2024 is good. Marriage will be medium. She was asking about marriage life also. It will be medium. Namaste.
Namaste, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Date of birth 19/9/98.
19/9/1998. Time of birth
5:59 p.m.
Place of birth
Tirthali.
Yeah, tell me.
About my marriage, sir. When I get married.
Okay. Your moon sign is Leo.
Yes, sir.
Purva Palguni Nakshatra.
Yes, sir.
Currently you are running Moon Dasha. Under Moon Dasha 2023 tak Mercury. Moon is not so favorable. Moon 6th house is hit. No, Moon is highly not favorable. Let us look at 2023 January tak Mercury. Mercury is apt. Okay, Mercury is good. Under that, let us look at 2021 November Ketu. Ketu is 6 and Venus is 2, having 2. Okay, your marriage will take place between 2021 December to 2022 February. Very strong period. Even if you if time doesn't permit by that time, maximum time will be within Mars and Mercury and Ketu. Okay, within Jupiter. By 2022 October, the time is very good. By 2022 October. So next year within October, the time is very good. But Dasha is very weak. I would suggest you to donate two items. One, every Monday, please kindly donate raw rice to poor people for at least 3 months, and tur dal every Tuesday for 3 months. And kindly wear one Burmese ruby, and also wear Rudraksh, 4-face Rudraksh. Good luck. Namaste. Good evening.
Very good evening.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, my date of birth is 7/5/2001. 7/5/2001.
Yeah, time of birth
3:05 p.m.
3:05 p.m.
Yeah.
Place of birth.
Hello.
Place of birth.
Place of birth is Bangalore.
Okay. Yeah. Tell me. 2001. Yeah.
Yeah. I just want to know about my education.
Okay. Currently you are running Saturn Dasha. Under Saturn Dasha, Mercury Bhukti is running. Saturn is giving 8th and 7th house. 8th and 7th house.
Technical field only.
Technical field. Okay.
Information
8th house is the
analysis.
house for technical. It will be very good. There is no issue in technical. But I would suggest you to also take software courses also.
Oh, okay. But I'm really facing problem with something like.
Okay, for remembrance, the 4th house is very good combination for remembrance. I would suggest you to wear one 3-face Rudraksh. And Om Arapachana Dheem Swaha. It's a little bit of a tongue twister. Om Arapachana Dheem Swaha. Arapachana Dheem Swaha. Okay, good luck. He'll do well, nothing to worry. Next.
17th April 1977.
एक second. Place of birth.
Bangalore.
Okay.
Numerous things over there. And do I cannot go, or I can go, or do I need to go to job? And also my family life is not good.
In terms of family life, the current dasha, moon dasha, and the period which is running across 23 June, 22nd. See sir, you can go back to your abroad, wherever you are working. The time shown here is within 2022 February. Within 2022 February, you will be able to go back and work. If you cross this time, you will be staying here only. Okay? If you are interested to go and work abroad where you are there, the time is very good till 2022 February. In terms of married life, Rahu is 6-8. Once February gets over, things will be falling in right place. And I would suggest you to donate tur dal to poor people, and wear one blue sapphire for you for a good career. So the career will come to track post 2022 February onwards. It's a very good period. So within that time you can plan to go back. Okay, this is about okay. I was talking about Venus. So what does Venus as a planet will do? Usually the earlier version if you take, Venus used to teach the demons. Venus would teach tamasic people. So Shukracharya used to give a lot of secrets of the world to the Rakshasas, where they had a very tamasic mindset. They used to gather all the information, all the knowledge, but they were not changing because their inherent characteristics were very demonic and tamasic. And acquiring good knowledge, they used to start pestering the Devatas. This got irritated with the Devan Devatas, and they started requesting Shukra not to teach the Rakshasas. But Shukracharya would not heed about that, and he continues teaching them. And there was one instant where he pronounced a very powerful mantra, Sanjeevani mantra, which is a very powerful mantra where there is no death, immortality. So based on this, all these Devan Devatas, they went to Lord Shiva and prayed under him and requested. The Shukracharya is actually making all the bad people learn the good things of the universe, and in turn they are not becoming in a very benefic or positive way, but they are actually exerting negativity to the good people. So based on that, Shiva gets very angry and he calls upon Shukracharya, and Shukracharya will have a fight with him, and with his anger, Shiva's anger, he will swallow Shukracharya. After a couple of many years, more than 100-200 years, Shukracharya will plead guilty. He says that I have done a grave mistake by teaching the wrong student, where they are not actually up to the mark for this universe. Then he will request Lord Shiva, and Lord Shiva will take his plead and say that he gives a warning that so he has to use his knowledge for the development of the universe, not to teach the tamasic people so that they'll take the knowledge, but they will not actually convert into goodness. So based on that, he will give a very big boon. Shukracharya will get a boon that you will be the lord of the semen, the human, the male progeny fluid, semen. So Shukracharya will come out from the Lord Shiva as semen outside, and he will be the head for the production. That is how Venus is very powerful in terms of production. He is the lord of the production department. Let us go and look for one video and just look at what actually Venus in the astronomical view it is. Let us look at the astronomical view.
Venus is the second planet from the Sun, orbiting at every 224.7 Earth days. It has the longest rotation period, 245 days, of any planet in the solar system, and, unusually, rotates in the opposite direction to most other planets. It has no natural satellite. It is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. After the Moon, it is the brightest natural object in the night sky. Venus is a terrestrial planet and is sometimes called Earth's sister planet because of their similar size, mass, proximity to the Sun and bulk composition. It is radically different from Earth in other respects. It has the densest atmosphere of the 4 terrestrial planets, consisting of more than 96% carbon dioxide. The atmospheric pressure at the planet's surface is 92 times that of Earth. With a mean surface temperature of 735 K, Venus is by far the hottest planet in the solar system, even though Mercury is closer to the Sun. Venus is shrouded by an opaque layer of highly reflective clouds of sulfuric acid.
When we understand this planet Venus, we can draw 2 to 3 important points. The first and foremost point, on the atmosphere end, on the planet Venus, you find carbon dioxide. Our astrologers, the olden days astrologers, related a gem which is diamond for Venus. If you see the composition of diamond, it is predominantly carbon. Such relation we can find by our olden ancient seers. So that is the beauty of our Hindu knowledge, Hinduism knowledge, the Vedas which we have got from. As I was always telling, astrology is not a different subject. Astrology is part of Veda. But nowadays what has happened, people have taken this subject, the so-called people who might have not been dealt with subject in depth. Every person, if you go to any part, small part, there will be a small astrologer putting a board across and I will tell the future, I will tell the future. So there was a saying, small saying, if you lose out on all your career path, become a yogi or become an astrologer, you can have a living, they used to say earlier. What does that mean? Anybody who has got a good talking capability and a little bit of common sense, just use this astrology for a living. So that point today has backstabbed everybody. So nowadays most of the astrologers only talk about negativity of a person's life. When you see at the current today's horoscope explanation, we can look at many people have got good combination, they are doing very well in life. There will be some pitfalls in some area like marriage or health aspect. Even that also we can predict easily that how far the health aspect is very, very worst, or it is going to be better in the future coming days. All things can be predicted through our Nakshatra Nadi. One more thing I would like to add here is, people have a negative mind saying that astrology cannot be learnt so easily. It takes a lot of years to learn. When you look around your place, especially in cities, Every second or third line you will get a board saying that I am an astrologer, I am an astrologer. And there are no major awards, recognition from any institution for astrology. Our own astrological fraternity, their own astrological fraternity gives awards and rewards, that's it. But if you look at any other institution, they will never consider astrology as a great science or astrology as a great subject. All this has happened just because the good science, the good subject has definitely gone to the wrong hands. So based on this, my passion and my target is to teach astrology in the right way. So those who are interested to know about the right science, so learn this subject, apply in your life, and at the same time you can also predict others. That is my main aim of this Nakshatra Nadi. To remove the taboo that this is not a pseudoscience and this is real, and when you apply to your life, this shows a path. This is just like a GPS which shows the right path, where are the hurdles, where are roadblocks, how to maneuver it, and it's a wonderful subject, and it shows our path. Are we in the right direction? Is the time excellent, good, bad? So all things can be known through our astral science, that is the Nakshatra Nadi. I would call upon all the viewers to join this class in August 1st. That will be in English version. People who are from Andhra, people who are from Kerala, people who are from Tamil Nadu or other parts of Maharashtra or rest of India, I can say that. Those who are interested to learn this subject, you can register yourself and learn this wonderful subject, and you can start applying for your life, and you will come to know that how real this subject is. So today let the Venus planet bless, because Venus is also a fantastic planet in terms of beauty, passion. With beauty, passion, it also is the lord for astrology too. Jupiter has got a sattvic approach, but Venus has got a realistic passion approach with Rajasic mindset. But it's too good for the present life. People here, they look sattvic, but their act is not sattvic. That is what is happening nowadays. And people go to many astrologers, spend a lot of money and get their fingers burnt. So that should not happen. Let everybody learn this subject. So this subject is a divine subject. So through this divine subject, this particular subject should go worldwide, and people outside India should ensure that there is reality in astrology, especially the Vedic astrology. Okay, time's up. So good night everybody, take care, sarve jana sukhino bhavantu.